Spring is in the air, so it's a great time to start cooking outdoors, especially when you quarantine yourself at home. What else are you going to do, right? Stay in your own backyard. Greg Townsend is back with us, and he's the general manager at My Menards on Manchester, and he's been showing us some great products that are available only at Menards. And boy, oh boy, these babies look good. This is for some serious cooking, right?
That's right. And the spring is in the air, so I brought some of my friends with me today, all kinds of grills.
This is how you make friends, by the way.
This is. You want to be the envy of the neighborhood, so obviously springtime, you open up your garage or your shed, and your old grill from last year is rusted. I think it's time to replace them.
All right, well, let's talk about what you brought along.
Well, I brought, if you want to start over here, just your general charcoal grill, and the one sitting on top of it, the silver one, I thought of you when I loaded that up. That is called the Caveman Grill.
Wait a minute, I'm not sure if I should be flattered or insulted.
The Caveman Grill.
But I like the idea.
You hook that up to propane, and you can actually cook a steak on it.
Really?
Yes.
All right. And that's on a charbroil, a nice charbroil gas grill with powder coating. And
Yep.
Those are built so well. Here's another good brand.
Right in front of us, the Coleman Road Trip Grill. Best part about that is you can fold it up in a matter of 5 seconds and throw it in your trunk.
That's the one you wheeled in here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's nice. And that's got a lot of grill surface area on it.
Yep. And then it's cast iron grate, so it's not going to rust right away.
That's good for tailgating. That one.
Big time.
Yeah.
Big for tailgating.
All right, let's talk charcoal.
Over here we have a charcoal smoker. Smokers are big these days, and we stock almost all of these in either electric, charcoals, pellet, etc.
The electric, and don't poo-poo the electric. They can be very handy in certain situations.
Very handy, and obviously for somebody that doesn't like to mess with the charcoal or the pellets or something like that, you just plug it in and turn it on.
Or even the gas, and you're replacing the gas and all of that.
Yep. A couple of accessories. This kind of looks like a decorative box. Now my wife likes decorations, but this is actually a decorative box that's a cooler. Fill it with ice, put your beverages inside, opens and closes. So yeah, just makes your deck look better, like I said, than your neighbors.
And where are you going to find all of this?
You can find all this as well as hundreds of other ones at Menards.
What a selection they have too. You'll walk in there, and that's your only problem is picking out which one you're going to like. Because,
big.
You go to some places and they have one brand or one line, and a few of them. I mean, you're coated with them over there.
Yep, and we just set up for spring, and we just remodeled, so we actually have more than ever this year. So they're all priced and ready to go.
I'll be down. You know that, right?
All right, we'll see you.
Thank you so much. There are 6 Menards locations in the St. Louis area. To find the one that's nearest you, jump on the web at menards.com.